Welcome. Let's explore the importance of environmental, health, and safety regulations in the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry is fast-paced and highly regulated. EHS standards ensure worker safety, protect the environment, and maintain compliance with laws. Health and safety regulations include using personal protective equipment, following safe operating procedures, and preventing accidents through training and awareness. Environmental regulations focus on reducing emissions, proper waste management, recycling, and energy conservation. Every action counts towards a greener future. Compliance with EHS standards isn't just a legal requirement, it's a responsibility. Together, we can create a safer workplace and a sustainable industry. Remember, safety, health, and environment go hand in hand. Follow the EHS regulations and be part of a safe and sustainable future.